In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your Discord. Now click on this settings icon given at the bottom left. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. You'll see this option of voice and video. Click on that. At the top of this menu, make sure your output device is set correctly. For example, to your headphones or speakers. If this is set to the wrong device, Discord might be sending audio somewhere else. While still in the voice and video settings, scroll down until you find the option Use Advanced Technology to capture your screen. If it's turned off, switch it on. If it's already on, try turning it off and back on again. Sometimes toggling this setting fixes compatibility issues with your system. If you are the one sharing your screen, join a voice or video call and click Share Your Screen. Choose the app or window you want to share, then look for the small arrow next to the Share button. Make sure the option Share System Audio is checked. If it's not enabled, Discord won't send sound along with your video. If you're watching someone else stream and can't hear any audio, right-click on the stream window. Check the volume bar and make sure it's not muted or turned all the way down. Adjust it until you hear clearly. If none of the above steps work, try restarting Discord and opening it again. Make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest version and also check your computer's sound settings to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. These quick steps should help you fix Discord screen share audio issues. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.